My name is Martin Faith, and 10 years ago I discovered the amazing benefits of window film when I had the product installed in my own home. In fact, I was so compelled by the benefits that I founded my own window tinting company. We've grown exponentially by providing owners of commercial buildings and private residences with the unmatchable advantages our window films have to offer. Solar control films will reduce heat and glare, saving thousands on energy bills, and can pay themselves back 10 times over. UV protection is a benefit of all window films. Our films block 99.9% of ultraviolet radiation and save both your property and your skin from consequent damage. Security and loss prevention films are clear films which make glass up to 40 times more difficult to break and will keep intruders outside your property where they belong. Privacy and decorative films are used to add aesthetics to commercial buildings. There are many other specialty films such as anti-graffiti films, exterior films, and even bomb blast films. Our level of customer service and professionalism is commented upon every day by our satisfied clients. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, and we only install the highest quality films. In most cases, our products carry a lifetime warranty. We always start with free advice and a free consultation, so give us a call today and find out more about the amazing benefits of window film.